Hey guys, as you're watching in the video, these connectors will hit the spot. If interested to know about these connectors, let's get going. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see here, we have ordered shoe rack, or it's called a multi-purpose storage rack. And you have an offer right now on Amazon at 40% off under Great Indian Festival offers. And if you want urban company services also, you can add to cart as shown in the picture. You can collect your rewards as well. And if you know, you have diamonds for every order you place on Amazon, which you can redeem in the next order. If you want to know more, you can check my diamonds video on Flying Skies 1 channel. Now let's check out as how to assemble the shoe rack or install. As you're watching here, you have a warranty card given. You can register your warranty by scanning the QR code over there. And make sure you get all the components. You have this black sheets and white sheets. These are called side panels and base panels. And you have door panels as well. These black sheets are attached with metal frames. As per now, they are of good quality, but don't know about their durability. Anyways, you have a checklist here where you can go through all the components which will go into the shoe rack. So make sure that you get all the components after delivery. And you have here door panels. These are white sheets. Along with the white sheets, you have this black sheets, which comes with the base panel and side panels. The hero product or the hero component of this is the connector, as you see in the picture. You can hammer down the connectors to secure them firmly. These connectors will surely hit the spot. I'm showing once again here. You have 4 grooves in the connector. You can use any of the groove to insert into the metal frame as shown in the video. That's it, done. You can hammer down again to secure them firmly. It takes lots of time because the connectors are sturdy, strong. So you have to break your back because it takes minimum 2 to 3 hours to install or assemble this shoe rack. As you see here, we are going up with door panels. Lastly, you have magnets. You can go to the connector of that particular rack and fix it as shown on the video. You have only 3 simple steps. First, you use connectors. You can connect and fix the base panels and the side panels. The second, you can go for door panels. And lastly, you have the magnets as shown on the video. You can fix them in the grooves of the connector for each rack. Once again, you can see here, you just have to push up the door panel into the connector. That's it, done. Your shoe rack is ready. And you can put your shoes in or any other clothes or handbags or any of the stuff you like. It takes 3 kg to 5 kg weight, I suppose. I don't know. If you know, let me know in the comment section. And it is portable, spacious. It takes only corner space, but then it catch up dust. As you see here, these sheets quickly catch up dust. Lastly, you have this hook for extra storage. So how is the BoxJoy multi-purpose storage rack? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.